How is he gonna get out? Good morning from beautiful Chicago. All right, guys, here it is. We got another one. Woo, it snowed a lot. Oh man, look at this. Look at this. Oh boy. Jeez. Let's see if we can make our way over to Lake Michigan. See how the lake's looking. Man, it snowed a lot. Oh boy. Getting hit. Too much snow. Oh shit. It's so much snow. It's cold. I love it. Alright. How am I gonna get up these stairs? Alright guys, I'm gonna make this a short video because it is way too cold out. Should not be out here for too long, but I wanted to show you what it looks like. In my last videos you saw how much snow it was over here, but look at it now. Look at this. That's over 2 feet. Don't get me wrong, it's still pretty. But it is dangerous to be out here for long periods of time. Look at that. So in the last 2 weeks, Chicago has had over 3 feet of snow. And that's a lot of snow. And it's fun. This is cool. I don't know if we're gonna be able to make it to the lake, but we'll try. Cleaning up the streets. I see the lake over there in the distance. Let's go see what it looks like. I say it's frozen. And you can probably walk on it. But we're not. There it is, guys. Wow. Look at that. I don't want to go down there, but I'm not going down there. Wow, guys, can you believe that's Lake Michigan? Unbelievable. It's completely covered in snow. I can just picture penguins walking down there. It looks like the North Pole. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for now. Like I said, another crazy weather in Chicago. And you now know what's going on here. This is what Chicago looks like with 3 feet of snow. Lake Michigan is completely covered in snow and frozen. Never seen that before. And it's freezing. I'm cold. And I am ready to go back inside. So if it's snowing where you are, stay safe, stay home, and I'll see you on the next adventure.